Hi, I'm Moby Smart Cat, and today we have OUKITEL C13 Pro in unboxing and review. The Chinese world popular smartphone brand OUKITEL continues to expand its line of budget devices, offering fans of the brand more and more beautiful high-tech smartphones at extremely interesting prices. The hero of this review copies the look of the best-selling iPhone X, but is ready to please the buyer with a wide functionality. The OUKITEL C13 Pro's design is inspired by the iPhone X, and OUKITEL doesn't run from that comparison. The C13 Pro comes with a rather wide display notch and a chin below the display. Corners are rounded on this phone, while the device includes a rear-facing fingerprint scanner. Two vertically aligned cameras can be found on the back as well, with an LED flash placed in between them. OUKITEL's logo sits on the back of the device as well. The new C13 Pro features a 6.18-inch 996 by 480 display, while the phone includes 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. The phone comes with Bluetooth 4.0, and it includes 2 SIM card slots, plus a separate slot for a micro SD card. A 3000 mAh battery is also a part of this package, and it is not removable. On the back of this phone, you'll find 8 and 2 megapixel cameras, while a single 5 megapixel camera is located on its front side. Android 9 Pie comes pre-installed here, so you're getting the latest version of Google's operating system. This is mostly a stock build of Android, but OUKITEL did add some of its own software on top of it. The phone is fueled by the MediaTek MT6739 64-bit quad-core processor, while it is priced at only $74.99. The design of the device, as mentioned earlier, is not original, but relevant. The big 6.18-inch IPS display, dual camera, fingerprint sensor, and all-glass styled polycarbonate back panel make the phone a very attractive buying option, practically without a frame. The display itself, it has enough light in the open sun, and its contrasts are adequate for the value category. Specifications are not surprising. The combination of the MediaTek MTK6739 processor, 2 GB of RAM and the PowerVR GE8100 video accelerator, we have seen more than once in inexpensive gadgets. Their performance is not enough for the heavy games, but other operations are amenable to the hardware without any problems. 16 GB of RAM is supplemented with a slot for micro SD cards, so the lack of memory is unlikely to overtake the user. The main 8 and 2 megapixel photo modules provide photographic opportunities for day-to-day shooting of not the most mobile objects. In other scenarios, the photos will be pretty good for this price range. 5 megapixel front camera is designed to identify individuals and replace the mirror. Amazing selfies with its help can be done. The 3000 mAh battery is frankly small, but a decent optimization of the Android Pie pulls about 7 hours of active screen time from such a battery, enough for a day and a half of use. New C13 Pro is balanced and stylish device without obvious flaws. While holding it in your hand, you really have the feeling that the device is priced more expensive. Excellent finishing materials and low weight. I can say, I was positively shocked with the C13 Pro. It's unbelievable that they have achieved such high quality at such a low price. OUKITEL is the conquer budget segment market, with the new C13 Pro. The phone is available for pre-order as we speak, and you can get it from Banggood, in either black or gold color variants. If you pre-order the device, you will get a free screen protector, and also a silicone case. I'm not sure if these perks will be available once the device goes on sale. It is also worth saying that the phone's price tag might go up a bit, after the pre-order period ends, so if you're interested in the OUKITEL C13 Pro, it would be best to act fast. The official OUKITEL purchase link is included down below the video. That's all for now. For more news, stay tuned.